Let me tell you my honest expression. You don't care because you don't care for Jaden. You care for you. You know what it seems like, Shay? It seems as if your friend Jaden to bring him down. Like you have hidden agenda against the individual. Honestly to God. Honestly to God Almighty. God make me like Jamaican out of many one people. This is why I don't want a friend. Wanna learn from the whole of the mix up. Wanna learn from the whole of the excitement. Wanna learn from Shay and Jaden. Wanna learn. Some of us soon life in the argument too. Some of us soon past, present and past participle. A future tense. But nevertheless, past participle. Yeah. Wanna learn. This is a prime example. It not take Jaden nothing to hear out somebody's secret, and it not take Shay nothing to hear out Jaden's secret. Wanna learn. People now argue civil again. Nobody now have no civil disputes. No care out, and then you see the thing about it, it's we. You see the chat, you see the comment section. One is a set of germs bag. One is a set of germs bag. No disrespect, but it's the truth. I don't know, but I can't know. I wanna do it. I wanna get up every morning and support the things them that I go feel. I don't wanna make it. Hold on there. No, I wanna do it in a serious, in a one real life, in a real time. How I wanna sit down and support the things them where I go feel. Somebody answer now, cause all on the brighter than me pan this, you know. Oh, remember Sunday school, my education stop Sunday school. Oh. And when me I go Sunday school, I'm never after graduation. I wonder if I'm still in a Sunday school. Like how I never graduate. If you not graduate, though, you still a go school. Not care how big you because you never graduate. No, just like how Spice can't perform at the place because she not go underneath the water. So if you not go underneath the water, though you not baptized, so like how you not graduate, though you still a go school. Yeah, you still a go school. Yeah. Who have the most receipt when? Let me say this to you. It's a disgrace for you guys to sit down. And me talk to you no chat. It's a disgrace for you guys to sit down and support these nonsense coming from two individuals that we are all entertained by. Let me just say that. Come on and choose my words wisely. Can we know what nobody go say, can we not love them? Yeah. How wanna sit down and support this? How? I wanna do it. I just that more wanna ask in a real life and real time. I wanna have growing kids, I wanna have kids sending to school, I wanna have household around. I wanna do it. I wanna really and truly do it. You ever tell me now say life gets so biblical that we're living in Revelation where man heart gets so cold that I don't care how much me I got tear down, but me I got tear down to the lowest. You see, if you can't use your mouth alone and tear down an individual, I just say go source it out. If I truth me attack, I will lie me I tell because we're arguing. So whether you and I know that I am spilling beans or secrets, there's an intelligent form in arguing, you know. And that enough people don't understand. You see, having receipts and showing like this, it spells no sense. It spells nonsense. You never know. Everybody are going in somebody's secret. And you and I used to share crackers and drink tea, tire bliss. Oh, you work it out. And then the comment section now have a tendency when you speak against their preference. And it not necessarily have to be an individual. You understand me? It can be an opinion. When you speak against their preference, them say you can't tame, them say you're biased, them say you're this, and them say you're that. People don't want to be corrected in love anymore. They want to be corrected in hypocrisy. And you sit down and you know me I play hypocrite with you. And you kiki kaka, you accept the hypocrisy. That's why when I tell you, say me no want a friend on the app, when I say me can't tame. Me and you can't be friends and you don't even have my number. Me and you can't be friends and you don't know how in my shrine stay. That is why I ask the question. When it all boils down, Jaden for take full responsibility. Full responsibility. When, let me tell you something why I said Jaden for take full responsibility. That's why I spoke like this yesterday, you know. I said Jaden must take full, all when Anna him started, second it, third it, fourth it. If you don't listen to what I say, you know, it say, may I play hypocrite. But you have no understanding, so you have to understand what I say. Jaden must take full responsibility, and I'm going to say this. You see, when tell me, did have certain people around me, the Holy Spirit said, run them, and I never run them. And people, I live to see people coming to my house and source information about me to tell me enemies. Me see it. And them are never internet friend. You understand me? So me keep asking Jaden the question. How did Shay reach in your house? At the part that I just that part there. And people just say, so they're not friend. But you're careless. If you're going to say that, you're extremely careless. And if you're going to say that Jaden have a soft heart, you're careless. If you're going to say Jaden a look up, you're careless. If you're going to say Jaden look up, you're careless. Any defense you're going to come with, you're careless. Any form of defense you're going to come with, you're careless non-stop. Jaden is a dirty, careless, nasty boy. That's your home. That's how away you rest your head. That's your home. The furthest you come on my gate, if you get the chance. So I don't understand how the child reached there. That's why I say the Robins now coming from she towards you. You deserve more. My, you deserve a lot more. She is up. She don't have the information for you. Two things why I say that girl should never be in your house. And it doesn't matter if people want to say, so you're never a friend. Of course, I like all the same way. You understand me? But let me put myself in Jaden's shoe for a moment. Remember before you guys became friends, she know your doctor, man. Remember even when you became friends, Queenie never liked you. That is as much proof in itself why me would never let her close to me. Never! Sorry. But you never ever ever come. Not even at my gate. And it's just the truth, ladies and gentlemen. And you see, it's only a person with intelligence and honesty would understand what I'm saying. You see, sometimes, and for such I said to Shay, Shay, be careful of your placement while hitting Jaden with bullets. I said, be careful of your placement. Sometimes, when people cannot be friends, and our placement of words towards them in the time of malice, it can work bad in our favor, but we're coming to that. You see, since yesterday, me did a fast, me did a speed it, we're coming to that. Make me go look on the buffalo, because the boy I go make my game a rotted liquid something. I put that in, and him no remember say piss the bed what you know. Oh. As me I say, how she reach in your house? You see anything she say about you, Jaden, you must not feel any way, because you are one of them. You not have nothing to lose, so not play victim on the app. Because you not have nothing to lose. Remember I used a serious prank, you know. I use a serious prank, Jaden. You understand me? But you see, when me see the little carnageness in you now, is where you say serious prank, you invite the girl in your house and turn on and play a victim. You understand me? And for such, me tell you, you need to take it, you need to say, Shay, big man thing, anything you say about me are true. Me not fight you. You see, anything at all you say about me, little girl, is true. You know why? It's me make you come around me. He said me never make you sleep on my yard. Eh? I'll sleep at your house, Jaden. You realize what really happened? Jaden, you ever look back in your life yet? You're a big man with understanding, because you know if you tell lie, and from you know if you tell lie, you know if you do the right thing. You're a big man with understanding. You know Queen in like you from morning till night. You know Shay is playing hypocrite with you, and you still buy into all the foolery. And even so you buy into the foolery. Why you make them come so close to you? To the point where she keep person still being your enemy. If you tell her something in private, how she come public with it and you don't feel away? When me hear she say the youth them want get rid of you, and then me see you and the youth them pan live, not the youth them but one of them pan live, I play a match. Me look on you, sir. Wanna two mix up and dirty and careless. Wanna mix up dirty and careless. At this wanna come about. So you see, why me say there is no side to pick in a situation like this. There is no side to pick. Take accountability. It's not the first year she shape on the app, and every month she and somebody kick up and she have receipt for somebody. You know, must expect that she gonna have receipt for you if you draw near. If when she never the near to you, she fabricate receipts and you and Dr. Man. And knowing a receipts can both you and the Dr. Man, you know. So I don't know if the Dr. Man is an area done. You understand me? All I know. What does that say to you, Sir Jaden? It don't say nothing to you. That is why you have to be wise as a serpent, harmless as a dove. That is why you have to be wise. You have to take some persons from a distance. You and I have such a beautiful relationship over the app. Such a beautiful relationship. Me not tell no lie. The relationship is so beautiful. Me da buy it a shop. Me da buy it a shop. So you see, because I was going extremely fast yesterday, I couldn't get to explain exactly why me talk like that yesterday. Now you see, when it comes to Shay now, everybody knows that Shay is perfidious. Everyone knows that she's perfidious. Why would I want a friend that is perfidious to power with? Why would I want a friend that is perfidious to be in my shrine, to be in my sanctuary? Huh? Why? When you look on the app, thank you my baby. When you look on the app and you see that every month Shay and somebody kick off, what does that say to you? I said to Shay now, Shay, I said Shay, it's when you have some speech to drop, you don't know how to drop your speech. Thank you, bro. You don't know how to drop your speech. And I said to you on my live, you know, because he's a little girl who I really like, I know you a long time. He's a girl who I really like. But you know what kind of energy you have, Shay? You have an energy where nobody enough to talk to you. Once you feel, say, you're going to do this, and you have to do it. And nobody enough to talk to you, they must go with you. Me I tell you how your attitude looking at, because sometimes you can't see the behavior, because enough time the behavior me can't see it. You get what me I say? Because none of we now have no outer body experience. Enough of only now on the outer body experience. Anyways, what I'm telling you, your attitude on the app, I said me did sit down and keep my mouth shut, me that be nothing but a big so-called hypocrite. You know, I said to you, Shay, be careful of your word placement, but you don't care. You know why you don't care? Because let me tell you my honest expression. You don't care because you don't care for Jaden. You care for you. You know what it seems like, Shay? It seems as if your friend Jaden to bring him down. Like you have hidden agenda against the individual. Honestly to God. Honestly to God Almighty. And let me say this. You see, when I'm there on my live, and Queenie Page come over my live and say we don't care. This is the problem. Indirectly, wanna force people in our position. Indirectly, wanna force people in our position. You see, because we have a good relationship on the app, wanna force people in our position to be hypocritical and to be hypocrites. You understand what I say? So if you have any form of knowledge, you don't understand what I say. Thank you guys so very much. If you have any form of knowledge, you don't understand what I say. Want to force people in a position to be hypocritical, and for such me always tell you this. You cannot be on the app showcasing love for a brother or a brother where you and them did kick off before they become siblings. And now that you guys bury the hatchet and become siblings, only to come back and talk deep things about the brother. I say, Shay, it now go look good for you because you're easy for eat on the app. You remember when I tell you say you're easy for eat on the app? You remember when I tell you say you're easy for eat on the app? See the fruit of your labor here. This is the fruit of your labor. What you sow, you reap. And sometimes you not have to sow it physically. You can sow it spiritually. You see where you're having in your heart sometimes display upon the app. That is why Queenie could never hide the loath that she has for Jaden. She could never hide it even when you and Jaden are friends. You see, people don't watch it, you know, people just go because a trend. People start following trend. That's why them lose their morals. Because it's just the truth, Shay. If I'm me like you, I would not speak to I couldn't have the heart to talk to Jaden. If I'm me like you, after me and my woman sit down and class this little youth, I could never have the heart to speak with him. Guilt alone would have made me forgive him and step past him. Me could be. This is a breakdown because someone go like on a dance. You know, I could never be friends with Jaden. Guilt alone. Alright, you see Miss Triple? She don't like when people attack her picnic. And honestly, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Me and Miss Triple could never be friends, body friends. Mark, you know. We can be casual, you know. I can respect Miss Triple, you know. Honestly to God, you know. But you see, if I talk to Miss Triple, thank you very much, my baby, and say, hey, Miss Triple, how you doing? No, I'm gonna feel like a hypocrite. You know why? I talk with the lady's children, and she don't play when it comes to her picnic. And for such, I can respect her decision. You understand me? And understand and in respecting her decision, me can't be body with her. Where she not give her life to the Lord for say, she be me forgive you, man. Me can't be body. My mind gonna tell me say something I go dead. For remind say, you say Shebada did touch your picnic them. So I will say, Miss Triple, me sorry, Miss Triple Hush. Me know it hurt you, blah blah rare. But you see the body friend, me can't do it. Me can't play hypocrite. I cannot play hypocrite. Me can't play hypocrite. You see Diamond? Me love Diamond to my heart. Me class Diamond. Me class her. If she go out of port. Because I'm not so me used to your Diamond. Me class her. But me still with Diamond with no so me class her out of love and respect. And a ill feeling. Because me love Diamond, genuinely love Diamond. So you see, Shay, you know, give people the opportunity to love you. You make people forced to love you. And this is where the problem lies. When you don't give persons the opportunity. I tell you, say it's easy for it, but you have never given anyone the opportunity. I know this is a hard pill to swallow, you know. It's a hard pill to swallow. But you see me know me can come on the app and tell you, say, me no come for look no friend. And genuinely, I am not here to seek friends. You see me can sit down and entertain myself. And you buy into my entertainment. You never know. So that's why me not go out and seek friends. And the problem that I have with you at all times, Shay, you don't give people a chance to trust you. And you don't present yourself trustworthy. And that is another thing. When people draw near, is it today? Is it today? And this is something me I tell you as a friend. You see, today you are marked as somebody not to be around you. True. It's when we look at some brother we click live and I talk about you, we make video and I talk about you, it would seem as if everybody hates you. But you see, because you don't present yourself trustworthy, that is why you're going through all of this. And for such, me tell you, say, be careful of what you say in the argument. Remember? Be careful of your word placement. You remember? Let me tell you that? It can come out not in your favor. You know remember? You know remember? You know why people say you have secret for me and me have secret for you? You know why? May I tell you why? You see, I understand you to the core. Me understand you to the core. I say time out when me take with you, not everybody will do so. And for such, you and people always are going to go at it. Because when you own me, you feel secure enough, but when you own others, you know that they don't trust you because of your behavior and where you display how much you hurt them. And that's why we have secrets and receipts for each other. You never know that? Because Shay, you know, say you come out with me and I don't even have one photograph of you. To say, may I take picture of your shoes? You know that? I don't even have one photograph. Now you say if you have pics of me and vid, I must become and look good. And it's true. It is just the truth. No, it's true, Shay. And this is the thing. And this is what you need to understand. It's true. We don't give people a chance to be free and feel comfortable around, you know. And for such, I say, we not germs. And we not germs to true. Because this is act of witchcraft. An act of witchcraft, this, you know. Then you can imagine. That is why when them talk about say, oh, Shay Chatal Shibi. Shay, anything say me no know say you and Queenie lay down in a bed and chat me. Shay, I couldn't eat you for that and I couldn't eat Queenie feet. Because of your woman that lay down and chat the world. I couldn't eat you for that. And all when them say, Shay no like Shibi, Shay no have to like me. And that is the problem. You don't have to like me. You understand me? I am obligated to love you through the blood of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. So you're not obligated to love me. But guess what? I will never, because you say this, come and say, yeah, no. I am not like them. I am not like them. That is why yesterday I tell Queenie, say, I don't know you and you don't know me. So me and you now go back and forth out of respect for you, Shay. Me and Queenie now go back and forth because she's annoying in supporting you. She is. And all of this could have been a long time. But because we don't have to monetize, both you and Jaden have to monetize a situation that we claim is hurting each other. So you see, I am not going to sit down and say, oh, I'm a friend. I'm now going to hurt my friend because me hear Queenie say, we don't want to correct Shay in the public. That is wrong, Queenie. No one said that. Listen and listen well. Nobody said that they wanted you to correct your woman in a public because everybody know about public correction can go wrong sometimes. I did not stated that. I was very careful in my delivery. You understand me? But because you don't have nothing for hold on pan, you and Shay sit down now in the background and she said things not going on in your favor now. So you don't want to lean to the victim side. Don't play victim, take accountability. And now is the time for the two to take accountability. Now is the time. But because everybody live with a ghetto mentality, oh me not stoop, me a stand up in my woman corner. Defend your woman. But there's a right way in defending her, and there's a wrong way in defending her. Defend your woman. I would defend 25. No decorum, no standard. It's true. Defend your woman. But make sure you can help her with the retribution and the tribulation. Yeah, and the agony where I come with it. Make sure, my baby.